How doing everybody? Just thought I'd do a quick video on new drone I bought for flying in the house. It's a Parrot mini drone. This one is the Maclane airborne night drone. Has spotlights in the front. Quite interesting. They have optical flow sensor and a sonic sensor on the bottom to keep it in stable flight. And they're reasonably cheap now. You can pick them up on eBay for £20. So if it's a rainy day and you can't fly your Mavic Air or Hubsan Xeno, give you a bit of fun in the house. So go ahead and open the box and we'll see what's inside. So you can see this is all the different mini drones you can get. There's one with wheels, there's some with hydrofoil if you're near a pond or a lake. Some of them have attachments that you can shoot cannons and different things. And this is the mini drone itself. You can see on the bottom that is the sensor there and the sonic sensor. It's a small camera, apparently it takes aerial footage. I'd say that the quality isn't great. And two LEDs in the front, and they are quite powerful. This, the protectors, and I think these just clip off. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a wee bit there and you just pick it up and pop those off. Probably better keeping them on inside the house if you don't want to damage anything. Very similar to the Tello. Don't think it has the same amount of features as a Tello, but that's that. Get a charging cable, just the usual USB. You can use plugs you have, connect it up to your computer that way. Some stickers, police, if you're into that type of thing. You have instruction manual. Being a man, don't do instruction manuals. And finally we have, let me see, close the box, Parrot LiPo rechargeable battery, 550 amps, 3.7, probably a 1-cell battery. Says on the box you get 7 minutes with the prop guards on, or 9 minutes without. It's not bad, I suppose, for a small battery when you think the Hubsan Xeno, I'm getting 16 minutes at the most, and it's a lot bigger than that, so quite good. Also, it does flips as well. Have a look at that on the app. So that is everything that's in the box. I'll put the battery in, get it on the phone, and we'll see how it flies. So battery goes in that way, clicks into place. Yes, as you can see, the lights are flashing on the front. Move the stuff out of the way. Open the phone. Parrot mini drones. That's the app. It says it's connected, 99% battery. Fly, and there is the keypad. There's also, you can fly this by putting it in your hand and throwing it up in the air. Don't really want to try it in the house. I'm going to try it and see. Let me see. Take off. Oh. And I landed again. Don't know why I've done that. Take off. Oh. You can see it's in the air. Bring it down a bit. Pretty stable. As you can see, bring it back. Very stable flyer. Going up in the air, we'll bring it down. We'll do a hand landing. And there's a hand landing. So it seems pretty stable inside. So I'll probably do a video outside when the weather's a bit better, and we'll see how it flies outside. So I'm going to have some fun now. Thanks. Bye bye. If you like this video, subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.